Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey, gang, Poppy here. This is an appeal to all the kitty cat lovers near Lake County, California, specifically near Clear Lake, California. Although, if your name is Nick Collier, you can drive over from Nevada City. If you're Tom Lipton, you live somewhere near here, but I'm not exactly sure where. Don't show the mountains. Don't show the mountains at your new place, because that's how people find them. Anyway, you can come here and have a kitten, or two or three. Why am I telling you this? Well, attached to this video is a picture of Chloe. Sweet little wild kitty. She was born under her house, one block over. She's about 7 months old now. And she is pregnant. She'd been out as often as she could, having her boyfriends come by and serenade and what else, Definitely pregnant. So, when she has them, I'll announce. And all you have to do is put a comment, right, on the video that showing them, announcing and all that, to claim your kitty cat. I don't know what they're going to look like. Christy is asking, does she know who the father is? I say, all of them. How do I know she's pregnant? Well, she's getting fat. She was always a skinny little starving to death kitty cat. She's getting fat. And she stopped trying to seduce me. And now she'll just cuddle up next to me. You're sort of nesting, cuddle up to the protector behavior. Yeah. Like the last one, she'll probably choose under my bed. So anyway, are you a bass fisherman? Do you have a big snake? Do you live near Clear Lake? Oh, snake food, I'd take them to the pet store. As for bass bait, all I gotta do is hang out at Redbud Harbor. Hey man, you going out bass fishing? Largemouth? Hey, looky here. Fresh. So, if you don't want to think about little itty bitty kitty cats getting eaten by largemouth bass in Clear Lake, when I announce their birth, claim yours. Good night from California. Oh, and they'll be good mousers because her mommy is a mouser. Their mommy is a mouser. Yeah, their mommy. Good night from California.